آج کی اس ویڈیو میں بہت اچھا چیلنج ہونے جا رہا ہے جس میں ڈونٹس اور ایک اسمال گائنٹ ہے اس کا چیلنج ہے. تو چلے دیکھتے ہیں اور مزہ کرتے ہیں. لیٹس اسٹارٹ. پلیز میرے چینل کو آپ سبسکرائب کریں, لائک کریں اور اس طرح کی ویڈیو سے دیکھیں.
You know what? I'm looking forward to this. Oh no, I take my words back. This cactus just changed everything.
You really shouldn't touch it.
Yes! I'll just have to remove the danger then. Here I go.
Watch where you're tossing those. Ouch. Owie.
All done. Now I'm not afraid to sink my teeth into this in the slightest. Ew.
What is that? That cactus is nightmare-sized.
And it's all yours.
This is terrifying.
No, don't do it.
Why did you do that?
I wanted to save you and ended up getting covered in spikes.
Wow!
Hubba Bubba, my favorite.
Oh my!
And it's got a filling to it. I'm ready to dig in now. Look at what I can do, Zach.
Not too shabby, but I wonder if you'll be able to blow bubbles with gum that contains a surprise. I'll just leave this here.
This is so yummy. More, please. Oh, what's this? My tooth?
She fell for it. Whoa, now that's big. Get your hands back.
Rude.
I'm not really sure how to fit all this in my mouth. Might as well start.
I'm so jealous.
Oh man, I can't get this last bit in. Oh no, it's all stuck. Help me!
Ugh, this is so gross.
Come on, pull harder.
I'm trying. A massive pack of Mentos? Lucky me.
Wow!
Oh no! And where's mine? Huh? That's it?
Oh no!
This is minuscule.
No!
Well, doesn't mean I can't enjoy it, right?
I think I'll begin as well. Whoa, it's raining candies.
Wow!
Zach, don't even glance in my direction, mister. I'm going to join all of them into one big piece. Now to color it with watermelon stripes. Oh, Zach, this is for you. I'll just get ready for the bang. Oops.
What's happening?
It worked! So much fizz. This is pretty awesome, don't you think? A Kit Kat, just what I need.
What, I don't get any?
Hey.
What, I don't get any? I sure can't find any candy.
Oh.
Break me off a piece. Pretty please.
You're so cute, Zach. I can't tell you no. All right, we can go halvesies.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
You have to agree, it's great.
You got that right.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, for me? Cool.
Wow!
It's amazing. Zach, you're gonna share with me, right?
Of course not. All this chocolatey goodness is mine.
Oh.
We'll see about that. Incoming.
What are you doing? You're killing it.
You should have paid it forward. This is your own fault.
Oh my
You destroyed it.
But it's still delicious.
Oh.
Whoa!
Milk and a gingerbread man. Sweet. Smells like ginger and cinnamon. Eat it already. It's perfectly crumbly. Okay, that's it. I'm ready for Christmas. And here's my gingerbread man. Hello, gorgeous. Ready to go for a swim? I'm afraid even this glass is too small for dipping you in. But worry not, that won't stop me. It's a milk tsunami.
No!
Too late, Zach. Sorry, wrong place at the wrong time. That doesn't make me feel any better. Me, I'm happy as a clam. The cookie soaked up plenty of milk in the process. Skittles are falling right out of the sky.
Wow!
Keep the good times rolling, I say. I love these candies. They're so colorful. Now I'm up.
Oh my gosh!
Scooch over, Zach. Can you believe how enormous this bag of Skittles is? I think I'm gonna need a ladder to get my sweets. Wow, I'm inside. It's like a giant pull of Skittles. Awesome. Make room. I'm coming in too. Bombs away. This is crazy cool. Tell me it ain't so. I want a whole lot more pizza than this. This won't fill up anyone. I wouldn't mind eating that. Sorry, but there isn't any left.
Oh.
That's fine. I've got something a lot better. I should have known you'd get the better serving. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna roll it up first. Ow, that hurt. Sorry, didn't mean to. You just about knocked off my head. And for that, I demand some pizza. I think I ripped it. Though maybe that's for the best. You're right. Enough for everyone. Both delicious and giant-sized food. It's the best combination you can ask for. Though we know about another dynamic duo, our videos and the bloopers that come after. Give that like button some love and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until next time.